Okay everyone, looking to introduce you to this flash sale event for Halloween. This is of the S10R Baton 3 600 lumen EDC light. So on the 31st of October between 1 PM and 3 PM you're going to get 35% off this for Halloween. So between 1 and 3, 35% off. And if you spend over 55 quid, we're going to throw in a H04 headlight for you for absolutely nothing. So we're going to introduce you to this, show you what you get, and roll in some footage, and hopefully you'll pick up a nice wee bargain. So inside the box, let's give you a quick look at the specs outside. So total runtime 15 days, IPX8, a nice throw of 118 meters. So in my opinion, 600 lumens, perfect for this time of year, out late night, maybe out with the dog, or just having a handy EDC light, or even one next to the bedside table. So there you can see the run times on the back, and of course it is impact resistant as well. So let's crack it open and show you what you get. All our goodies. There's manuals and leaflets there, and the USB lead that will come apparent very soon what that's for. Your torch, and inside here you have a wee charging dock, which is really cool, and it's got good suction feet on the bottom as well. So as usual, let's just crack open the torch and just remove the yellow tab. Again, a lot of people asking, but the light's not working. Make sure you move that yellow tab first from out of the box, and then just screw this back on. Okay, and of course there is some charge on the torch already, but with your dock, it's absolutely brilliant. Micro USB in to charge it up. So just get this tie off. So micro USB, plug that in, and then obviously plug this into your power source. What I normally do, I have one of these set up on my bedside table. What I do, this will charge a range of our lights. So not only is it going to charge your S10R Mark III simply by slapping it on there for the magnet, but it will charge a range, say any of the S series, so like the S10R and the S10R Mark II, S2R, and just the S30R. So there's a massive range of torches that this dock will charge. But also, what you can do, use the extension port there. What I have it set up at home as is I plug my phone cable in here. So I'm only taking out one socket on the power strip, but I can charge two items. So I'm going to have my torch sitting beside the bed, docked in there charging, and I have my telephone lead plugged in here. Or if you have anything else, USB, maybe a tablet or whatever, just plug it in here, and then you can use that there to charge your device as well. So this is fantastic, just to be able to snap on there with the magnet and it will charge up. You can see there's a small pin there, just to be indent, and that marries up here, makes your connection, and then it'll charge. So the light here will go red when it's charging, and of course green when it's fully charged. When it's off the dock, that light will be green. So very simple, just to be able to put your light on. And of course, I said you can charge bigger lights with that there as well. So that's the torch accessories that come with it. So you can see the nice shape of the bezel and LED there. So it's nice to set in. Wee bit of a polish to it. So it is pretty nice for an EDC light. Of course, very small in the hand, perfect for out and about, and or say when things go bump in the night, right beside your bed. You could have that, have your phone and a torch just sitting there ready to grab. And of course with your modes, again, once you've had pretty much one Olight, you'll be able to work most of them. So pushing the button in, hold, will go down through your modes. And then say triple tap for turbo or for strobe. And that is really it. It is a lovely nice bezel there for, say, it is more of a flood, but out to 100 meters, you know, that is perfect for just, say, everyday use, you know, and even for an emergency kit or for something for the car. And with the magnetic base, you can slap that on lots of different locations, so you can get some area light going on. But there we go. Again, your run times, low, medium and high, and of course the moonlight of 5 lumens, which gives you 15 days. So normally, being brutally honest, medium works great for me if I'm just, say, out with the dog, out in these late evenings now. It's dark and that's perfect for me. But you've got the turbo there if you need it, and of course there's our specifications and our drop downs. And for any other information, you can give us a shout here at olightstore.uk. So there you go. That is a lovely wee light. Nice pocket clip. Good and sturdy. And fits well in the hand. Not intrusive, but whacks out a good amount of lumens. And of course your magnetic tail cap. So picking that up for Halloween, 31st of October, from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, 35% off. It is limited stock for the H04 headlight, so make sure you get in early so you won't be disappointed. But check it out. I think this is an absolutely class combination to have. More and more I'm using this dock just to pre-position that somewhere, even in your desk in the office, you know, or if you're a home worker or whatever, pre-positioning that just to be able to charge. Done. Have one in the office, have one at home. It's great just to be able to know your torch is constantly charging, constantly ready to go. It's absolutely fantastic. So check it out. Halloween special, 31st, and hopefully pick up a bargain. Thanks very much for watching.